I'm Jennifer Kalish with Douglas Elliman, and welcome to Penthouse 1A. Indicative of its name, this residence is first and foremost in luxury living in the heart of the historic Upper West Side. And with 5 beds and over 4,100 square feet with a fabulous terrace, there's a lot to see. So let's get started. What amazes me the most is after you walk through the entry gallery, you're welcomed with views spanning Central Park to the Fifth Avenue skyline. I mean, this is just breathtaking. I could stand here all day. And once you're done taking in the view, you could take a step back and appreciate the grand proportions of this great room. And the open flow between the living and dining spaces makes this perfect for entertaining. But on an evening in, you can sit here and enjoy your very own fireplace. And with triple exposure, there's not a bad seat in the house, including this dining area, which is perfect for large formal gatherings. But for more casual dining, follow me. This well-appointed eat-in kitchen features a Juliet balcony, which is one of 4 in the residence. And this chef's kitchen has all the top appliances. Plenty of counter space to prepare the best meals, and custom cabinetry with an abundance of storage. And of course, an incredible view. And how inviting is this master bedroom? Yes, waking up to river views is amazing, but this suite is also accentuated by these unique curved windows that also leads out to a Juliet balcony. And there's an entire separate wing that really offers a sense of privacy. And I can't wait to show you what's next. And I mean, look at this. There is no need for a summer home when you have this private rooftop. With over 2,200 square feet and multiple seating areas, you really can throw the most fabulous parties. Thank you so much for coming with me on this tour today. I really hope I've shown you why this is the most premier residence on the Upper West Side. From sunrise to sunset, you really are above it all.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?